Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Today we're going to do an install of another R overlay for your Ford Bronco Raptor. This is 2022 and up. What we are going to do is overlay the differential R that's kind of visible from the rear of the vehicle. As you can see in our little test here, we put it in black. You can get all sorts of colors. We have full color printing capabilities, so you can do anything you want. Just get a hold of us through our contact form. We are going to install Code Orange on this vehicle. Real simple install. Let's get into it. All right, so it's 54 degrees. Ideally, it would be 75 to 85 degrees when we install this. I am on my back, and I have our 2 overlays that you get. Each order comes with 2, just in case you messed it up. Clean this area off really well, especially if you've been off-roading, because all this mud can get on that surface and it'll make it less sticky. Wash your hands as well. So try to line up the left side and then just guide it where you want it to go. Probably could have moved it over a little bit. Now this stamping isn't really perfect on this, so we try to make the overlay look more like the normal R. Just guide it and press down firmly. Let's take a look what it looks like from the back now. All right, definitely looking pretty good back there. And when you're following this vehicle, you'll definitely be able to see it. So for more videos like this and more products for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco, just like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel wherever you're watching it and hit any notification icons if possible to be informed when another video comes out.